Changing your primary email on Lytics is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Lytics account. Access the Lytics platform by entering your username and password. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the email you wish to change. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this section to view your current email settings. Step 4. Update your primary email. Look for the option to change your primary email address. Enter the new email address you wish to use and ensure it is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering the new email, save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at the new address. Follow the instructions in that email to verify the change. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on Lytics. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lytics support for assistance.